can be, it's just like a school viva. They will ask my subjects and I'll recite answer. And what will be a strong understanding? This is a professional stress test. They are not only checking knowledge, they are evaluating clarity of thought, honesty under pressure, and composure when you challenged. Who is from engineering background, like from an IIT background, you can say, got 99.6 percentile, walked in confident. He had revised thermodynamics, probability, and economics. And पहला question क्या था उससे? Which book influenced you the most? He froze. क्यों? मतलब why? Because उसका assumption ये था, question will be from his academic. But that was totally different. So understand this from another background, like from another case story, like a person who is from commerce background. And what was first question from that person? What's your hometown economy based on? The girl who calmly explained her city textile trade and then added how GST managed small trade behavior. The panel was impressed because she connected local context to the national policy. And for better understanding, understand this from a guy who is from arts background. Like panel ने question ये पूछा कि like what do you think of Plato's Republic in today's India? Instead of panicking, उसने just simple answer किया. Plato's philosopher king is like today's debate on ethical leadership. Should leaders be chosen for wisdom or popularity? The panel smiled and she cracked. And now understand this from a person who is like from working professional background, like who have experience of 3 to 4 years in IT. And उससे जो first question था वो पूछेंगे कि what is one weakness you found in your team at work? He didn't try to fake any kind of perfection. He just said, we often rush deadlines without proper documentation. I made mistakes too, but it taught me why process matters. That honesty won them over. So what is the analysis here? So what do we learn from like these stories? The panel is totally unpredictable. You don't need to make any prediction before. Okay, so just prepare yourself for any of the random thing can come, and you need to learn from like these stories. The panel is totally keep yourself calm. So actually they don't want your book knowledge. They want to see how you think as a whole person. So that's why preparation for IIM Ahmedabad interview cannot be limited to academics. You need to self-awareness, awareness of the world, and the ability to express clearly. So reflection, you can do a activity here. Just take a pause here, and close your eyes for a moment. Visualize yourself sitting across 3 professors. One is smiling warmly, second is very neutral, writing notes, and third is just poker face, staring at you with expressions. Now imagine they say, introduce yourself. What word comes to your mind when that question will hit your ear? Do you recite your CV or do you tell your story? Take 10 seconds. Actually, and practice in your mind right now. See difference. When you actually visualize the room, you realize it's not about just repeating your resume. It's about composure, clarity, and confidence. Now understand. Stress techniques, right? Once you sit down, the real game begins. At IIM Ahmedabad, professors use very deliberate method. Once you sit down, the real game begins. At IIM Ahmedabad, create pressure on you. These are not like by accident. They are designed to see how you are going to react when things are not going to your way. Let's break down this into very 3 common techniques which we use to create pressure. Like like silence and contradictions, and third one is like rapid fire. So let's understand like how this silence can create pressure over you, and can create a stress environment. So they are going to check you, so that you can understand like how you are going to perform under the pressure or under the stress. So silence can be the most powerful. You answer a question, you expect a note, a smile, or maybe another question. Instead of nothing, the professor just stare at you. 10 seconds, 15 seconds, sometimes even 20. Your heartbeat rises. Your mind goes like, did I say something wrong? Or should I add more? Should I change any answer? That's a deep reaction, like nervous laugh, fidgeting or rambling more just to fill the silence. And what will be the strong reaction here? Smile gently, hold an eye contact, stay calm,